Yeah, so step 1, put washing into washing machine. Nice. Kiwi hands, tremendous. I'm hoping in the fridge. We'll sort that out in a minute, alright? I'm just doing this with Mont a sec. You should get all that in. You might have to squeeze a bit, but... Get in there. Can't be much left in there, surely. Perfect. That's everything? Okay, so step 2, close door. You might need to use your knee to shove it because it's got a broken hinge. That's it, so push it sort of upwards a little, that's it. Yeah, it sounded like it. So open the drawer, top left. The stuff is, don't pull the drawer completely out. Oh my god. Step 3, don't break the machine. Use the, either one, yeah. So you need, yeah, about a capful. It's quite runny, as Letty discovered earlier, so don't. Yeah, on the right, please.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do I put any on the left side?
No, not really. Close drawer. Right. I think it's already on the right setting, so I think in theory if you press so dial on the right, turn it up 1 and then back down again. So it's on the 59-minute setting. Turn it away from where it is, any direction, and then back down. Should say 50. Oh no, too far. 59 is what you want. There you go. Right. So where the red 2 rectangles are. So keep pressing the one on the right till it gets to the top. There's a button underneath. The button underneath. No button underneath. Yeah, that's it. So that's how fast it spins. We want it on the fastest spin, so keep pressing, it'll go through them in sequence. Lovely. And press the one to the left of that once, because we don't want it on hot. And then press start. And I'm hoping it will... Oh! And then in theory, you should see... And here...
Is it the
and you should see it. There you go. Take a bow. Job complete.
Yeah.